When I was in the shower this morning, I had no pain. It was just strange to get in there and have no pain.
How good?
Big improvement. Absolutely huge. I don't know how many times I've seen you so far.
Yeah, this is the sixth one.
Yeah. Yeah, but this morning that was the biggest. Because I usually stiff when I get out of bed. Well, I have been for a while. And this morning I got up and I thought, oh, this is good. and then I was really, you know how you're cautious?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I'm thinking, oh, this is all right. And I thought, oh, well, go to work, sit in the car. Got out of the car, no problems. I get out of the car, I'm usually stiff. I got out of the car, wasn't stiff. Oh, here we go. I'm going to have a good day.
Here we go.
Yeah, here we go. I'm going to have a good one. And then I was just waiting for it, like I thought, oh, I'll keep trying.
You were testing it?
Test it, yeah.
That's
and
awesome.
It was real good.
All the way, like it. All the way, like it. There it is. Gosh. Oh, there you go. There it goes.
Yep, I can feel that straight away.
So your muscles are made up of individual little fibers, like imagine little pieces of spaghetti.
Yeah.
So when it's tight, so when I'm prodding in and out, I'm kind of breaking through like thousands of different little fibers, you know what I mean? So that's why when I go in and out, it's a bit tighter sometimes. And you can probably feel it as well, when it starts catching on the tighter parts.
Yeah, I could feel it. That just then I felt it. Yeah.
See, whereas now it's not too bad.
No, that's right.
But when you said the medications you were taking, were they for the pain in your back?
Yeah, it's an anti-inflammatory. So.
Do you still take them?
Occasionally, yeah.
Yeah.
Not as bad as I used to be, but yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Oh gosh. You still with me?
Yeah, I felt great. It sounds weird, but Jesus, it was good.
Are you already setting up for the next one? I'm not even doing it.
Like...
Oh, there you go.
Hey.